I'm Jaime. I'm an MBA student from UM. We are doing this social experiments on general public based on an organizational behavior theory called prospect theory. So today I would like to give you a challenge. I'm going to present to you two scenarios. So you can choose to participate or choose which option you want to. Right? So let me give you the scenario first. Okay? In the first scenario, I'm going to give you two options. Okay? The first option is you don't have to do anything, but you get to walk away with 90 ringgit. I have the money here. Okay? Now, just like that. Okay? That's the first scenario for first option. The second option is, however, if you play a game with me and pick a number out of this bowl here, right? But the deal is you have to pick a number of more than 5.
Okay.
Right? But if you do that, what happens is that you get to have a chance of walking away with 100 ringgit. I have the money here again. Right?
Okay.
So, but bear in mind that there is a 90% chance for you to pick a number of more than 5 out of this pool. So, would you like to accept the challenge and play the game?
I'll probably just walk away with the 90.
Are you sure?
Yes, because it's just a 10 ringgit increment from the base of 90.
Are you sure?
Yes, because it's a lot of work to get an extra 10.
Alright, here you go.
Alright.
Right?
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you for playing the game.
Hi, Miss Yong. Good morning. Okay, this morning I would like to play a game with you. Okay, you have a 100% chance of walking away 90 ringgit from me. Okay, but if you would like to play a game with me, and you can pick a number that is more than 5, you have a chance to walk away 100 bucks from me. Okay, bearing in mind that there is a 90% chance of you picking a number that is more than 5.
Okay.
Would you like to play the game with me?
No, I think I will just take that 90 ringgit.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Today, I want to do an experiment with you.
Okay.
I will give you a few options.
Okay.
And then you just select which option that you want to choose lah, basically.
Okay.
Okay. So, the first one, I will give you 90 ringgit.
Okay.
It's either you take this 90 ringgit
Okay.
or you play a game with me.
Okay.
Inside this basket,
Okay.
there's 10 numbers.
Okay.
There are 90% probability that the numbers is greater than 5. Another 10% less than 5. If when you take out a piece of paper and you open it out, the number is more than 5, I'll give you 100 ringgit instead of this 90 ringgit.
Okay.
But if you take that number that is less than 5, I won't give you anything.
Okay.
So which one do you want to do? You want to take this 90 ringgit or you want to play a game with me?
Take the 90 ringgit.
Okay, you take the 90 ringgit.
Hello, Liping. Good morning.
Hello, morning.
Okay, this morning I would like to play a game with you. Okay. So for this first game, you have a chance of winning 90 ringgit from me. Okay. Okay. But if you would like to play a game with me, and you can pick a number that is more than 5 from this box, you have a chance of walking away 100 ringgit from me. Okay. Okay. Bearing in mind that the possibility of you getting a number of more than 5 from this box is 90%. Okay. Would you like to play the game with me?
No, I think I would like to take the 90 ringgit.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so now I'm going to play 2 games with you.
Okay.
So for each game, there will be 2 options given. Then just let me know which option will you prefer.
Sure.
Yeah. So for the first one, I'm going to give you this 90 ringgit.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's either you take this 90 ringgit or you play a game with me.
Okay.
So inside the box, there are 10 numbers. There is 90% probability that the number that you're going to pick later is more than 5. Then
Okay.
another 10% is less than 5.
Less than 5.
Less than 5,
10%.
correct. 10%.
Okay.
So if you manage to pick a number which is more than 5, instead of the 90 ringgit, I'm going to give you 100 ringgit.
Alright.
So, but then if you pick any number which is less than 5, I'm not going to give you anything.
Okay.
Yeah, so can I know which option will you prefer?
Which means I'll get nothing. I will have 10% chance of getting nothing.
Correct.
If this is the case, I will just rather take the 90 ringgit.
Can I know why?
Instead of risking anything of getting nothing, I will prefer to get a 90 ringgit because it's just 10 ringgit extra.
Yeah, then here you go.
For you?
Yeah.
Alright.
For the second game, assuming that you owe me 90 ringgit.
I owe you 90 ringgit now.
You owe me 90 ringgit,
Okay.
correct. So it's either you have to pay me 90 ringgit without any tolerance,
Alright.
or you play a game with me.
Okay.
So same concept. There are 10 numbers inside the box.
Okay.
If in the event if you manage to pick any number which is less than 5, you don't have to pay me the 90 ringgit. But in the event if you get a number which is more than 5, you have to pay me 100 ringgit instead of the 90 ringgit.
Okay.
So which option will you prefer?
Means if I win, I don't need to pay you anything.
Yeah, correct.
So if I lose, I'll just need to pay you 10 ringgit extra.
Yeah,
right?
correct. Total you have to pay me 100 ringgit.
Alright.
Yeah.
And if this is the case, I think I will just go for a bet.
Yeah, then maybe you draw a number from this box.
Oh, it's 3!
It's 3. Yeah, then you don't have to pay me anything.
Alright. That's all?
Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Let's play the second game.
Okay.
Okay. Now you have a 100% chance of losing 90 ringgit to me.
Okay.
But if you would like to play this game with me, you have a chance of walking away paying me nothing.
Okay.
For the game, you need to pick a number that is more than 5. Okay. Bearing in mind that there is only 10% chance of you picking a number that is more than 5 from this box. Okay. But if you can get the number that is more than 5, you don't need to pay me anything. But if you can get a number that is less than that, you will need to pay me 100 ringgit.
Okay.
Would you like to take the challenge?
Of course.
Okay. Oh, unfortunately, you need to pay me 100.
Alright. Here we go.
Thank you.
Okay.
It's either you give me 90 ringgit,
Okay.
or if you play a game with me, you take a number from here and you get a number that is less than 5.
Okay.
You don't have to pay me anything.
Okay.
But if you take a number that is more than 5, then you have to pay me 100 ringgit.
So there's 90% chance I have to pay you the 100 ringgit lah. Then I don't want to play.
But
Right now, if I don't play the game, I have to give you 90 ringgit. If I play the game, I might keep the 100 ringgit or lose the 100 ringgit. So I choose to not play the game. So you get 90 ringgit, I keep the 10 ringgit.
Now we are going to do scenario 2, right? So here what happened is that we want to see how would you react given based on these two options. Okay, the first option, yeah? Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. The first option is you are given a chance, 100% chance to lose 90 ringgit to me.
Okay.
Okay, that's the first choice. The second choice is that, however, if you play a game with me, you can get to walk away with no need to pay anything, 0 payment,
Okay.
right? But if you play a game with me and pick out a number of more than 5, okay, you need to pay me 100 ringgit. Right? So it's either you want to lose 90 ringgit or play a game with me, stand a 10% chance of winning the game and walk away without giving me anything.
Okay.
Right? So now, would you like to play the game?
And I'm gonna go with scenario 1 and just give you the 90. Alright?
Really? Why?
Because I already got it from scenario 1 in the past.
But these two scenarios has no
Or no linkage.
no linkage at all.
Oh, okay,
Right.
no linkage.
Yes.
Okay, then I'll go with scenario 2.
Why? Tell me why first.
Okay, because considering that the both scenarios are not interlinked, this would be me, option 1 going at a negative 90.
Okay.
Option 2, I may lose an extra 10%, but at least there is the 10% chance I may walk away without actually losing anything in the first place.
Excellent. So let's play the game. Right? So you know the rules already?
Yes, anything more than 5, I need to pay you 100.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, but there is a 10% slim chance there that you might win. Right? So to be fair, we have designed it in such a way. Right? So that there is a 10% chance of you winning and walking away without giving me anything. Alright? Go for it. Right? Can I be?
Sure.
So it's 7.
Oh, okay. Too bad. I need to pay you 100 now.
Unfortunately.
Unfortunately.
Can I?
Go ahead.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Avinash. Just to recap, what happened here is that, so this prospect theory basically, it tells us two things, right? One, there is a sure gain. How people react when there is a sure gain. So whenever there is a sure gain, like what we have seen in the scenario 1, people will not look at the probability gain, right? Same thing applies vice versa in in scenario 2, whereby you rather go for probability loss than a sure loss. So this is how majority of us react, right? So we are just doing this experiment just to confirm, in our population.